Meanwhile, the Prime Minister is urging Jamaicans to vote based on a party's ability to address the problems facing the country. Speaking on the weekend at a fundraising dinner for Central St. James MP Hero Clark, Holness says this, rather than personal levels of discontent, should motivate the decision on election day.
There are persons who will say, I'm still unemployed. I don't have water. My road is bad. All of these complaints you will hear. And they can become the basis on which there is discontent. And for the voter who does not make the link between discontent and the wherewithal to correct it, they may just vote on discontent and not vote on wherewithal, which is what our voters have done historically. And so what happens when you vote on discontent and not on wherewithal, meaning the ability to actually correct the discontent, is that you end up in a cycle of discontent.
The JLP leader also encouraged the voters to be wary of impractical election promises.